Hello, adventurous viewers. I'm Finn, a vegan baker from the Fiddler Crab Kingdom. Do you like fiddling in the kitchen and trying out new vegan recipes? I have a recipe tip on how to make a creamy, tangy vegan lemon curd that's ideal for filling pastries, spreading on toast, or topping your favorite desserts. In a small pot, whisk 100 grams or half a cup of vegan certified sugar and 10 grams or 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. If you prefer a thicker consistency, add an additional 4 grams or 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Next, stir in 120 milliliters or a half cup of plant-based milk, the juice from 2 fresh lemons or a quarter cup, 4 grams or 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, and 0.75 grams or 1/8 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Over medium heat, whisk frequently for about 5 minutes until the curd thickens. As it's thickening, you may have to whisk vigorously to form a smooth curd. Lastly, remove the curd from the heat and pour it into a heat-safe container to allow it to cool and thicken. You can eat it warm or store in the fridge for up to 1 week. Enjoy! Thank you for your attention and love you a lot for being veg and going green to save the planet for all humans and us all co-inhabitants alike.
Vegan side effect. Can't escape others' admiration for you.